I understand many of you haven't purchased your first NFT yet and are new to cryptocurrency. It can seem overwhelming, but today I wanted to show you how to buy an NFT on Opensea. It's not as scary as you might think, and I wanted to share some tips along the way to help you make educated decisions to hold NFTs that have good value over long periods of time. And many early adopters of NFTs have gained the benefits of being an early supporter, such as Bored Ape Yacht Club, which had a mint price of around 0.08 Ethereum, which was around $200 back in April of 2021. Current floor price is around 51 ETH, or around $210,000 at the time of making this video. Or CryptoPunks, which had a mint price of around $1 to $34 back in 2017, which now the floor price currently doesn't exist because no one is selling any, but the last one that sold was around 65 ETH or around $265,000. So you get the idea. Good NFTs that have good communities and good leaders a lot of times can grow substantially in value. And I'm sure some of you don't know what mint price and floor price stand for. Mint price was a price when it first came out, and floor price is the current price, the lowest price it's being sold for in the marketplace. And of course, none of this is financial advice, invest at your own risk, but let's get right into the basics of buying an NFT on Opensea. First, we need to make sure you have the basics set up, and if you don't, it's okay, we'll get you sorted out. It typically goes without saying that NFTs are purchased in cryptocurrency. So if you don't own any cryptocurrency, you're first gonna wanna check out this video up above on how to acquire cryptocurrency in Ethereum. Also, you're gonna need to have a MetaMask wallet already set up. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet, check out this link up above that shows you how to get one set up. Okay, first thing you're gonna wanna do is go to Opensea.io. I will post the link in the description below, so check that out for that official site. Make sure it is the Opensea.io with the little lock next to it. Don't get scammed, please. Once you're here on Opensea, you'll see that there's different tabs up at the top. Explore, stats, resources. They already set up a little wallet for you with your profile. If you already have NFTs, you can find that information there. You can go explore and look for NFTs, but I don't recommend it. I think once you go to Opensea, you should already have a direction. You should already have done some research on which NFTs you're looking for, gone to the Discord, checked out the community, made sure that you believe in the project. And then once you've done those things, Opensea is your place to go and find those NFTs and purchase them. Let's just pull up a project that I'm already in, so we'll check out Voxies. So you see first, when you pull up Voxies, you wanna be careful about scam accounts. So this Voxies with the little dash afterwards is not the real Voxies. If you buy those NFTs, they are scam NFTs. So make sure that you check out the projects that already have the blue check mark because those are a verified collection. So we'll go to our Voxies NFT collection here created by Voxies themselves. Down here, there's some information right off the bat that you're gonna see. There's 10K items, so 10,000 NFTs exist. There's currently 1.6K owners, so this tells you how many different people hold those NFTs. The current floor price, like we mentioned earlier, floor price is the lowest price that's currently being sold on the market, and this is the volume traded each day. If you scroll down, you'll see automatically you can select different filters on the left. Usually I will select the buy now filter to filter for only NFTs that are currently being sold on the market. Now that we've filtered for buy now, you'll see there's the 0.65. This is the cheapest NFT in the Voxie project that's currently being sold. And if you scroll down on the left, there's a lot of other details here with regards to the NFTs. And some of these are attributes that the NFT holds, so you want to pay attention. Some of them are more rare than others. And you want to, when you purchase the NFT, you want to know a little bit about the different types of attributes you're looking for so that you get a good quality NFT. So in the case of Voxies, they come in different classes, they come in different rarities. So knowing a little bit about that stuff before you purchase an NFT is mandatory to make sure you know you're getting a good deal. So you might be asking yourself, well, okay, in a project like Voxies, then how would you know if you're getting a good deal on an NFT? And there's two different sites I'm gonna show you. First site is called Rarity.tools. So a link will be in the description below once again. Rarity.tools, you can go to all collections, search for the project you're looking for. So in this case, it's Voxies. Go ahead and select Voxies. From here, you'll see that they list some information about the description of the project. They also say that they don't really take any responsibility based on their ranking system. They've made their own algorithm based on the rarity of each trait. And you'll notice that depending on the developer's algorithm that they select, there might be different rankings on different websites, but this will give you a general idea, right? So we go down here, we're gonna sort instead of by rarity, which these are the highest priced Voxies in the market, probably if they're the highest rarity, we're instead gonna set price low to high. And this should sort out what the lowest price is on the market currently, and then what that number is as far as rarity is concerned. So if we look here, as we scroll down, you'll see that this one here is the 0.69 ETH, 0.7 ETH, so on and so forth. And they also list their rarity as well. So you'll see that this is Voxie number 9172, but it's the 2000th most rare Voxie. And if there's only 10,000 Voxies out there, that might be a pretty good deal, right? Almost the top 20%, and it's nearly at the floor price. So that, if you look into more details, this is how you can kind of determine what you want to purchase. Keep in mind, a game like Voxie, there's going to be different classes, so it's really going to depend on your strategy in the game. Also, there's a lot more details. If you're interested in the Voxie project in particular, of course, check out the Voxie.io website. They have a lot of information listed there. But this is just a general example to kind of get you started, right? The next website that is important when selecting NFTs is called Trait Sniper. So I'm a big fan of this website. You can go up to the top. Let's go back to the home screen. So you go to Trait Sniper website. They have a lot of different projects on their home screen, but you can select the project name, Voxie, and go search. And here, let's select our Voxies project. From here, it allows you a lot of different database sort of functionality to search and find what you're looking for. So let's go ahead and set a minimum price of just above the floor. That will eliminate a lot of the ones that are not for sale. Next, let's go down to price and sort by the lowest first, so we can get the lowest price first. All right, so then now you'll see that it went ahead and sorted by the lowest price here. All the way down, you can see the rank as far as the rarity is concerned. Remember, there's 10,000, so it's telling you the number in position of what rarity it currently is based on Trait Sniper's algorithm. And keep in mind, one thing that's a little frustrating about this site is if you go to Opensea, let's say for this Voxie 7874, it says the price is 0.4. That might not actually be the case. This could be the latest offer or the latest sell price. So here's the current highest offer price. This is not the buy now price. So you actually you could make an offer, but there's no guarantee that you're actually gonna be able to purchase this Voxie itself. And that's one of the downfalls of this site is it does list prices of Voxies that currently have bids out there. If you wanna buy now the Voxie, it's a little bit unfortunate because you have to wait to see if the seller accepts your bid. Okay, so let's assume that you went ahead and you really liked this Voxie that you found that was 0.69 ETH and it looked like it was pretty rare. So you go ahead and click on it for OpenSea, and now it is time to purchase. So you would go down here and you would select buy now, click the buy now button. It goes ahead and it will charge you a gas fee for purchasing this Voxie. Also, you're going to have to select that you agree with the terms and conditions of the sale. So you select that, then confirm the checkout. And then after you confirm the checkout, it will pull up your MetaMask browser asking you to sign the transaction. It will also tell you what the current gas price is and if you agree to spend that gas price. You have to accept that. After you accept that, it will go ahead and allow that transaction to occur. And remember, everything's done on the blockchain, so it will hook in your MetaMask wallet. And when you make that purchase, that will be conducted right there in your MetaMask wallet, interacting with OpenSea, and it will secure that NFT from the seller to your wallet. After you purchase the NFT, you go up here to your profile, select the profile button. You'll see that this is currently an unnamed account, so you can name your account. You can scroll down and you'll see that NFT down here in your collection list after you go ahead and buy that NFT. Very important, when you buy the NFT, make sure that you have a lot more funds in your account to pay for the gas fee. You don't want to go through the transaction and not be able to pay for the gas fee. Before you buy an NFT on OpenSea, always go to etherscan.io gas tracker. I'll put that in the description below once again as well. You want to check to make sure that you're not having too high of a gas fee. Anything below 90 GWei, I say, is a fairly good deal right now to go ahead and make a purchase on the Ethereum blockchain. Remember, gas fees are very high. You want them as low as you possibly can. So check Etherscan.io gas tracker first before you purchase any NFTs on Opensea. And after you purchase your NFT, of course, you can change all of the details of this profile setting so that it's customized to you. You can include your email so you receive notification if someone is trying to bid for your NFT item. And so you can completely personalize your Opensea profile. And lastly, of course, I said at the beginning, you want to already have an idea of what NFTs you're interested in before you go out and buy them on Opensea. How do you know, right? Well, I recommend you follow people like Cagyjan, he has a great pulse on the NFT network, and he recommends projects that have provided incredible value in the future. So follow people like Cagyjan, go on Twitter and follow other people that have great NFT analyses and determine which people are out there really exploring these NFT projects and have high standards for the community, the leaders, and these NFT projects to make sure that you're getting good value when you search for NFTs. So I hope that helps you understand the process of obtaining an NFT item on Opensea. Please drop down in the comments below if you have any questions. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for tuning in to Allan Ryan, and I'll see you next week.